Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. And let me introduce myself and my partners, a second author. I am Suwarno, and the second author is Melani Hartono. We are from Bina Nusantara University. In this opportunity, I would like to present about 60 years of mathematical literacy research, a bibliometric analysis. Numerous studies have been conducted to assess mathematical literacy. However, there is currently relatively little study on mathematical literacy, particularly on the analysis of literature reviews. For the first time, Ahyan et al. Conducted a literature review or bibliometric study of mathematical literacy, but the research contains limitations. Specifically, the review was confined to paper on mathematical literacy in Indonesia that were retrieved from the Scopus database. In this research, the main goal is much better to explain the visual and quantitative elements of current literature and also obtain valuable result for the renovation of mathematical literacy study and FET topic in the study. This research study studied a comprehensive review of Scopus database. We use Bibliosani and also PostViewer program for bibliometric evaluation and mapping. In our research method, there are several steps or procedure. First, it is about data source and search strategy. In the first step, data collection by organized mathematical literacy article search. And the second, in-depth field examination by bibliometric citation evaluations. And the third, network analysis concentrated on recognizing publication patterns, one of the most impactful journals, studies, association, nation, and also author, in addition to connection and also collaboration. And the fourth, the last page summarize the result and also discover the enormous study potential. The question string made us off for the search was a little ABS key, just keyword mathematical literacy. And the outcome, we get 445 publication. And the next step of our research is create bibliometric maps. There are several procedures. First, info on citations, bibliography, as well as author keyword of 445 publication was exported to Bibliosani for bibliometrics LWS PostViewer software program. And the next step, the PostViewer software application has created a co-occurring keyword network for mathematical literacy. As you see in the right figure is the output of PostViewer software. This tool is used to get informations, map, and STEM articles. The next of our research is about research question. There are 4 research questions in our research. First, which journal is the most productive for mathematical literacy research? And the second, which countries is the most productive for mathematical literacy research? And the third, who are the most active researchers or author in mathematical literacy research? And the last, what types of research topic are selected by researcher in mathematical literacy research? Based on our result, the annual publishing trend is seen in figure. The number of publications on mathematical literacy has increased by an average of 15 each year. The first 50 years of growth, 1961 until 2010, result in 87 publications, which increased to slightly more than 300 in the past decade, from 2011 and 2020. This volume of articles demonstrate a growing interest in studies on mathematical literacy. And the next, our result is top 20 productive countries. Indonesia is the largest contributor, accounting for 130 publications, and then United States and South Africa have contributed 47 publications and 49 publications, respectively, to second and third position. Australia and Germany each contributed 29 publications and 29 publications respectively. United Kingdom, Turkey, Israel, Netherlands, and Spain each contributed 25 publications, 24, 10 publication, 10 publication, and 9 publication respectively. And for the most productive publication outlet, virtually half of these studies we release in 20 publication outlets. 96 file or 96 articles were published in Journal of Physics conference series and 13 publications in ZDM International Journal on Mathematics Education. Especially the last is the international perspective on the teaching and learning of mathematical modeling with 6 publications. This publication score is based on ranking by the most relevant source and ranking by the most local site source. Next, our result is about the most productive affiliation. In the figure reveals one of the most relevant or productive affiliation that published research studies on mathematical literacy. These 10 affiliations generate nearly 1/10 of the total publication. The top 3 institutions are from Indonesia. They are Universitas Sriwijaya with 19 publication, Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta with 17 publication, and Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia with 17 publication. All of these affiliations are specialized in mathematics education. And the next, our result is about the most productive authors. We can see in the table summarizes the author who have had the most impact on the field of mathematical literacy. Zulkardi, Stacy, and Becker are the top 3 authors. Together, they have contributed to 25 publications. Hoyles contributed 5 publications, and then Nos and Putri contributed 6 and 8 publications. Bansial and Burkhardt contributed 10 and 4 publications. Ken and Turner contributed 4 and 5 publications, and the last, Baumert and Becker are considered for forerunner in terms of total citation. And the last, our analysis is about keyword co-occurrences analysis. All articles on mathematical literacy contain a total of 63 keywords. When presented in the same color, it is relevant terms are frequently combined. The figures show that the most often used keywords are mathematical literacy, mathematics education, teaching, mathematical difficulty, and students. And our conclusion of the research or conclusion of our research, there are 5 points. First, there are essentially 3 high-quality publications that publish articles on mathematical literacy. First, in Educational Studies in Mathematics, and the second, Journal for Research in Mathematics Education, and the third, Journal of Educational Psychology. According to the total global citation source, the most significant articles are those written by Baumert, Becker, and Stacy. And the third, Universitas Sriwijaya, Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta, and Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia are the most productive or the most active affiliation in the term of publication. The fourth, Indonesia has published the most contributions, followed by United States and South America. And for the future study must take into consideration pertinent research clusters with mathematical literacy at various level of education. This is our reference that we use in our research. Thank you for your time and attention. Hopefully, all the information we have shared will be available to everyone. Thank you.